We are Sublu, and we are professional underwater equipment and products manufacturer. And this CES, we are happy to bring you this White Shark Mix, which is a revolutionary, innovative, the smallest underwater scooter of this world, I think. And you can easily carry this underwater scooter into a carry-on luggage in the plane. And we believe that by making the scooter strong and small, it can help a lot of ordinary people to play in the water, not unlike the professional ones.
Is it?
It's kind of looking the same.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's getting a little lower.
Yes.
Will do.
definitely.
All right, thanks. Yeah, I think he's going around now. All right, so we just need to get the ending and the sound. So, okay.
We are the SwellPro technology. We are the pioneers of the waterproof drone. It is all-weather drone. It can use for the rescue, for photography, or even can monitoring the life wears of the daily life. It is a very fantastic drone. We attached a lot of fantastic mechanisms like payload release. With the focal camera, we can deliver the life force or waters or some other stuff to the long distances.
All right. Next one should be simple.
Ready.
He's ready?
Yeah.
Okay. We didn't need you to show it because we get that separately with editing. So it's really
So
fine.
this is the first time for me to do this.
I don't have a book bag yet. Okay. We just throw it in?
Yeah. Put it in
Cool.
the bag.
All right. I think he's good. Yeah, we'll go over.
I'm going to talk to them.
Okay, you're good? All right.
We're XDynamics and we're a premium drones manufacturer. This is the Evolve and it's a full carbon fiber monocoque chassis with the world's first dual screen ground station. We have a 4K fully HD video and it can do 1080p 60 frames per second with a 15 millisecond delay. So super snappy and responsive. The ground station, fully automated, and you can link with social media and upload on the fly. Nice to meet you.
All right, nice to meet you, Andrew. So yeah, as I said, you're just gonna do hi. We're UVify. We do blah blah.
Well, except for the video that you're on.
Yeah, other than the blooper we have of the drone smacking me in the face. Yeah.
It was all CG. It was all CG.
Yeah, it was all CGI. Yeah. This.
Okay.
Just kind of like that.
So you
yeah.
don't gonna be necessarily asking me questions, just kind of like that.
Yeah, just
like
kind of.
short
Yeah, it's
blurb.
not so much an interview as it is kind of blurb. Yeah.
Okay.
We're Elango Technology. This year we're announcing the Mystic drone at the CES. This drone combines advanced AI technology with flight control. So it understands its surroundings, it understands its users and can recognize its owners. And it can autonomously follow users and take a video, or it can follow your gestures to do things that the user wants. And this is going to be super easy for the users. And then the price point is also going to be very, very sweet.
Like,
Yeah, give me the name of them, and then you can do whatever you want.
cool. Yeah. Okay.
You have to do your intro.
Big media, like.
Yeah, it does kind of get picked up. It gets some good viewership. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, buzzing by. So like raise up the. I'll probably send you a link around after the show. And yeah, just in case. And you have my card if you need.
Yeah. So UVify is a creator of a lot of racing drones. The one we're releasing here at CES is called the Uri, which is basically a little micro racing drone that you can take out into the field or even in your living room and fly around. It's a really fast micro drone, probably one of the fastest in the world, and it's really easy to fly. Starter kit starts at about $289, or about pre-order right here at CES, and about $389 after CES.
Sorry. Super roll, yeah. That'd give me some like respect back in the office. So
It
yeah.
could help shave your beard a little bit or something like that. We'd have to charge though for that.
Yeah.
Have an expansive view of their favorite sport.
Maybe too fast for you.
Well, our company is Yinian. We're a manufacturer and a brand of total power solutions, specifically for the drone battery and also unmanned vehicles. So here at CES, we're launching our newest product. It's called the Drone Max 360.
A few seconds. Is this with you guys too? Are you guys? Yeah. Yeah. You know, no one else is doing it, so that sounds good. So the best thing to do is